khramjari Yambung Mam ngasi dia koi bina kandi gi cha baganda ai ga Yambung ga ngatang koitho usi aina la ine ba ko akoi cha su cha ko mam tha ani adagi di atai painting ga yek ta khotana myam am tau doi ne ba ko haibadi mini picnic ne ba koi ni tang la ini ngasi se chutti oi bagi aduna akoi hoje kai kai mathang sum lok se ha phau ge ai tau bani myam adudi makha ta se sam yeng minar si cha tha si ko jangan nih sini Yambung gica kita nah ya
Yeah. Bây giờ hôm sẽ cái sunset ở cái am nung ai bên này chứ bảo cho cái nó sẽ được sinh khai đi Malskit favorite Malkist
aku lagi favorite biscuit tada berapa dia
canvas
aura Hawi bat sini angau bana tên à?
Khi nhà ngang bữa tài làm hỏi
Làm học bất kỳ vậy sini thắt là số dài này.
Okay, the artist at work now. Yang sih. Kalian tikot lema lah tolong. Nanti canvas itu ulang coloring dah.
Sina aigi canvas ni ta. Haibra tabra tau bro bani.
Brushes, colors,
sina
pencils
laire
2B and 5B.
Lagi sina sharpener laire. Lagi di Yambung na eraser su laire. Duga sina aigi doms ki acrylic color ni bako. Set of 6 ni. Kasi ay hanga agi.
Brush tiga dah.
Oi, brush ti sida laire tu.
Okay.
Aigi school da brush ma'am le hawe ba cho ba brush set na sum nyam nyaw ba do. Kun mu ka lai. Ado so ai sit lai ti. School da angang sing yek pa gi na thang mo ren. Nanggi nung shi shakdiwa Senglaba nanggi nung shi base yellow color
For students, nanggi students na tana.
Student ka ma hume.
Wow.
Sina kay gini.
You're gonna paint now. What is this? Okay, finished product ko na yang alasi. Aduga keyboard malaga na. Ako yang ala roy. Pajaradi yang ala kani. Okay.
Okay. Ahora sí.
Okay, now let's paint.
Oh, ngai ko. Sina aina ai ko. Wait.
Kari.
Sina ne sidana aina ye ani. Aduga sidana Yambung na sigi any page ang kakta sida ye ani Yambung na.
Yeah, actually aina sije aina ye kian lai rakpani do ma pa mai na ma ya.
Okay. Tadi ibani.
Okay, yang si okay. So is this a time to reveal?
No, yeah.
No nothing. What need has he this voluptuous slugget of this life that you and I desire so? He thinks that this is a poor pitiful life, not anticipating that perhaps someday the sad hour will strike for him as well. And for a single day of this pitiful life he would give up all of his fantastic years and give them up not for joy or for happiness, and without wishing to choose in his hour of sadness, repentance and boundless sorrow. But this terrible time has yet to come. He desires nothing, but he is above desire, because he is everything, because he is sated, because he himself is the artist of his life and he creates it for himself every hour to suit his lattice whim. And you see, this fairy tale, fantastic world, is created so easily, so naturally, as though all this were truly not a phantom. Indeed, he is prepared to believe at certain moments that all of this life is not the excitement of feelings, not a mirage, not a delusion of imaginations, but that it is indeed authentic, genuine, real.
Final moment of reveal. Fajay. Wow. Lấy gam sát đi. Okay, lấy gam sát đi.
Brush am lấy tiền tôi nằm một cút ở tôi.
Oh, nong kiram dai, nong ngay măng á.
Ngay am măng ở bên. Fajay wala.
Yeah.
Photo mà copy đâu cha.
Copy.
Copy. Hi ma'am, ako'y jig loire, loy shalle tawgadaba yek pakpatpa punama. Ako'y jig yumda halani lambidagi momo khara charni bako. Aduga yumda sum halani. Adudi ma'am ngasi vlog se matang se loy sanjaragi. Oi. Oi. Ma'am, video se nungai ba kasi like, share and subscribe to biram. Bye bye.